Okay, let's see if we can get this Thunderbird Jet Patrol zooming around on the floor. This particular toy is made back in the 60s. You can't fit in new modern batteries. Do not try to operate one of these if you find one with Duracells, Energizers, or Thunderbolts. They're physically larger in diameter and they will not push down in there. So I had to go to the dollar store and get some cheap dollar store batteries that would still fit down in there. Now you do have a forward and reverse switch there. You have these little jet things that move in and out, and you've got a blinking light on the front. The only thing I don't know I have is enough room to operate this thing. We're going to find out. You've got it set to go in a circle, so I wouldn't have to chase it too far. Let's try reverse. As slow as it is, maybe we could go forward. I think my dollar store batteries have just about had it. But there you have it. The switch in the back does have a center off and is marked with an F and an R for forward and reverse. And there's your Thunderbird Jet Patrol. And a couple of cheap batteries that go in there.